That is not a pleasant noise. But I'm just gonna keep on trucking.
Attacked by a kinder demon?
Every man for himself! I don't know how to stop it. Ah, please! Ah! Please! Oh, is this the one you just read?
Yeah. Hey, it's closer right here.
Ooh. Tracksuit. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Where is it? Leather jacket, tactical, tuxedo, hoodie. Is a tracksuit for Virginia? Is that why it's... Oh, come on. Really? But I wanted it. It looked cool. Oh, hey, that's a thing. Just let him duke it out. Let him duke it out. You just say, did you just say Pokemon?
Get out!
He died.
Ah!
Oh, yeah.
Go. Run.
Very sad. Disturbing.
Oh, do I have too much skin? Would you like some skin? I don't know if you can even see it, but it's in the sink. Yum. Ooh. Oh, there's babies.
Oh, guys, this guy's a chainsaw. He has a chainsaw.
Oh, right
It's
here.
this guy's stomach.
Holy moly.
And it's battery powered.
And there's cereal. Is there a slope right here? Oh, there might be. Yup.
What?
Just kidding.